guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support that you're showing this channel. My previous videos are doing so. I'm so grateful to you guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys about the products that I use to maintain my skin looking healthy, looking all glowing without spending so much money. I'll be sharing with you products that you can find anywhere, very affordable for you to buy and start using on your skin, right? So the first product, you guys, that I use is the Vaseline. We all know the Vaseline. This is what I use for my skin. This is the first product that I use, but one thing that I want to mention to you guys is that you must be careful when you're buying the Vaseline. There is so much Vaseline on the market, but the one that I would recommend is the one that says original on it, Healing Jelly. This one is so good for your skin if there is any pimples, any skin reactions. I also use this for my child. He used to have a breakout of skin when he was a little bit younger. I tried so many products, but they weren't working for him. So when I tried this, it worked. But the doctor strictly was specific that I need to buy the one that says Healing Jelly, and it must be original, right? So this one is first of the products that I use. Very inexpensive for you to use. So this after that, the next product that I use to clean my skin when I'm washing my skin is the black soap. If you can see, this soap is right straight from Ghana. Very good for your skin. It also helps me so much when I'm pregnant because I tend to sometimes get dark necks, but every time I use the black soap, it helps me reduce it, right? So this is another product that I use, the black soap. Very inexpensive and affordable, but you have to make sure that you're buying the one that is raw, right? Because there are some that are already like processed, they have some other ingredients added. I don't know how those works. I don't want to say anything that I've not used before. All the products that I'm showing you in this video are products that I've used and I've seen the results. My skin is always like this. People are always giving me compliments about my skin. People are stopping me to ask me what I use, and I've been sharing. So I thought today would be a great day for me to share with you guys. Since you're wonderful people who are supporting me, I just want to extend my gratitude to you guys and share with you the products that I use. The next product that I'm using is the shea butter, right? But again, guys, as I've shown you the past two products, one thing that I maintain about which products I should use for my skin, I must look out for products that are really raw products that are original, products that nothing is added into it. So for shea butter, there is so much shea butter on the market, cocoa butter. I will not mention so many things, but there are so many products that have a little bit of shea butter in it. Some are called shea butter, but I would also again recommend that guys look out for the one that is raw, that nothing is added into it, right? For your skin, right? It helps remove any wrinkles. It also, one thing that somebody mentioned to me that I didn't know all this time, it also helps with aging, right? So if your skin is starting to fall out and having issues with aging and all that stuff, I would recommend you to use the shea butter. So what I do for the shea butter, in most times it's hard, right? Most of you have used it. It's sometimes so hard. So what I do, I add my baby oil to the shea butter before I use it. So when I buy it, I add baby oil to it and make it a little bit softer for it to be easily applied on my skin. So the baby oil I use is the Johnson one, but I don't know which baby oil you use for your children. But me, this is one I always buy. My children are okay with this baby oil. So any baby oil that you want to use, I think that will be okay. But this is my preference. And since I'm showing you what I use, so I think if you want to follow what I use, you should buy this one. It's rich in vitamin E. It has aloe in it. It's very good baby oil for you to use for your skin. So as I was still talking about the shea butter is something that it has so many uses, right? Even when your skin is breaking out already, if you're in the process where your skin has already started breaking out, this can help heal your skin if it's already breaking out. For my skin, I don't always get breakouts, especially when most times the only times that I sometimes get some pimples is when maybe I'm getting my periods, but I don't normally break out on my skin because I maintain the products that I use. I don't use so many products. I don't come from one product to the next product. I just keep the same products. That helps me maintain my skin the way you see it. add anything. Right now I'm not wearing makeup, I just did my eyebrows because I want to show you guys how my skin looks like without any makeup. So somebody would say that, do you use the same product for the rest of your body? No, I don't use the same product. My lower body, I still use Vaseline, but the Vaseline I use is the one for dry skin repair, because sometimes I feel like my lower skin tends to get drier than my my upper body. So I use the Vaseline to this cream, this is the only cream that I use for my skin. This is the only cream that I use. I don't use any other cream. Even when I shower, I use I maintain using black soap, and I also use coconut butter for shower, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for sitting in to see what products that I use that are very affordable. I thought that I would share this video with you because I've had so many compliments outside, people asking me, what do you use for your skin? I always share with them what I use, but then I said I'll do a YouTube video to share with the rest of the people out there who have not met me in person, to also buy the same products and try them out. And also, one thing that I almost forgot, guys, don't forget to drink your carrot juice, cucumber juice. I made that juice on the previous videos. I will link the video on this video. Cucumber juice and carrot juice are also very good juices for you to drink for your skin. Very good. I've tried them. Everything that I'm telling you in this video, I've tried. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel to support. Click the notification bell for you to get all the videos every time I upload a new video. Comment on my videos, like them, share them. That is a way that you can support me. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.